In this video I will show you how to tie the Dutch bowline knot. This is a version of the bowline or bowline knot that looks a little bit different and it has a bit different properties, and some people say this is better than the traditional bowline knot. Some people say the bowline is better, more secure than this one. It's very difficult to actually know unless you test it, and also it depends on your preference what you need to do with this knot. There are different names for this knot. I will put the names in the description so you read also article about it. I'll see if I can do that. But basically the Dutch bowline or the Cowboy Bowline, I think, yeah, the Cowboy Bowline or Bowline knot, or the left hand bowline. This is a variation of the bowline knot, and really to me the only difference is how the working end comes out from the loop. How I do it, I make the loop, but I make it towards me, facing down. The loop has to face down like this. The loop has to be towards you, and then you make the same way as you would make the bowline with the, you can remember the rabbit story that comes out from the hole and then goes around the tree and then back into the hole. This is the Cowboy Bowline or a Dutch bowline. The working end comes out on the exterior of the loop. It's really the same, but to me it seems like this is a little bit not as doesn't get as tight as the traditional bowline. Maybe this is a good thing. So this is with a different rope, thicker rope, Dutch bowline. Yeah, that's how it is. And you can make it with the same as the traditional bowline, with thick rope, thin rope, string, anything. So I make the loop facing downwards. The working end comes on top of the standing end. I hold the standing end on my left hand, working end on the right hand. The loop comes towards me. Rabbit comes out of the hole, but goes like this around the tree and back into the hole, into the loop. And when I do it like this, the working end comes out on the exterior of the knot. You might have to work this knot, arrange it a little bit, dress it, how it's called, arrange it a little so it gets nice and even when it's tight. But it's very secure, same as the bowline. Also, like, if you didn't see the bowline video, I'll put a link in the description for it. You should know how to do both if you want to prefer to do one or the other. The thing is, if you want this to be for really safe, for safety, you should make a stopper knot at the end of the working end here. When you're done with it, you should keep enough length of the rope or the string to make a stopper knot, or a half hitch, or a double half hitch. And yeah, this looks pretty good, really secure knot, and it doesn't slide. You can put load on this loop and it will not close itself or get loose. It might get loose if the working end left over is not long enough, so try to make it a bit longer than you think you need. The longer the better. And yeah, this is how the Dutch bowline or the Cowboy bowline or the left-handed bowline looks like. The working end comes out from the outside. It's coming out to the outside. Let me know in the comment section below what are your favorite knots, and also which knots you would like to find out more about, and what kind of activities you prefer, fishing or camping or sailing if you're doing that. I don't know, but yeah, mostly camping. It would be nice to make some camping videos about the ropes and everything. Yeah, it's always nice to know how to make a safety knot. Yeah, let me know about your favorite knots which you use mostly in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Watch the next one.